Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Hearthstone begins with each player using a 30-card deck and a hero that has 30 health. Decks must include only legal class or neutral cards. The first player draws 3 cards, the second player draws 4 and receives the coin to compensate. You gain 1 mana crystal each turn until you reach 10 mana crystals, so plan plays by mana curve. Save low-cost spells and minions for early turns and larger plays for mid to late game as mana increases. Build a deck with a clear plan. Aim for a balanced mana curve and include roughly 30 cards with 2 to 6 removal spells depending on your class. Prioritize plays that fit your intended game length. Early aggro decks want many 1 to 3 mana cards. Control decks favor 4 to 8 mana finishers. During the mulligan, keep cheap cards costing 1 to 3 mana to contest early board. Swap high-cost cards for lower-cost options so you can curve out the first 3 turns reliably. Winning comes from board control, tempo, and efficient value trades. Trade minions to maintain board control and to protect your life total while denying opponent tempo. Use your hero power each turn when it improves board tempo or value, especially if it helps clear or contest minions. Plan for trades that create 2-4-1 or 3-4-1 value when removing opponent minions. Preserve reach with direct damage and finishers once you close to lethal, and adapt whether to go face or trade based on life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.